Hi, boys and girls. Welcome to our 11th class today. And I hope everyone had a very nice Easter and is having a good week. I have my reading book ready for our first big group, and we're starting on page 30. Page 30. If you remember yesterday when we read the beginning of Meg's Pet Pig, Meg wanted her pig to get in his pig pen, but he would not listen to her. And even her friends, Ben and Ken, could not get the pig into the pen. So we're going to see what happens today. Okay, let's read together. The men began to tug at the pig, but the pig did not run. "Tug, Meg," said Ben and Ken. Meg and the men began to tug, but the pig did not get in its pen. The pig sat on a log. Page 31. Zzz. A bug sat on the pig's leg. The bug bit the pig's leg. Bim bam, bim bam. The pig began to run. The pig ran into its pen. Meg had the pig in its pig pen. So do you think when that bee or that bug bit the pig, do you think it hurt? Yes, it made him jump up and run. And that's how he got into his pen. But he better start listening to Meg. If that's her pet, you need to listen, little pig. Okay, so that is our reading for today for the big group. And any pages, remember that you have in chapter 3 that you can be working on and on your comprehension packet pages that are stapled together for chapter 3. Now, my second group, page 84. If I mix. If I mix a lot of cobs in a box of webs, can I get a box of cobwebs? If I mix a lot of hums in a box of bugs, can I get a box of humbugs? Humbug, if someone calls you a humbug, that means you're being silly and just playing. So can you put hums in a box? Can you mix them in a box with bugs and get a new word, humbugs? No. What about cobs? If you put cobs of corn in a box with webs, will it turn into cobwebs? No. It's totally different words. Okay, so that's just a short little story, just a silly little story. So that is for my next group. Tomorrow we'll start reading the pattern pages of the words. Okay, so that's our reading for today. Now, our seat word. We are on papers 2, packet 2. And we're starting with the lion tamer at the circus. And we have addition equations. And all of these are little numbers. Your answer or sum will not be over the number 5. So after you answer the equations and put your answer on the line, look down here and you can see the color code. Answers of 1 are green, 2 are red, 3 orange, 4 yellow, 5 blue. And you can read it right there. Then we turn to page 2. What's the largest number in each group? Let's look at the first one. The largest or the biggest number? 25, 30, 15, or 9. So these numbers all have 2 digits. This one only has 1. So if we want them to be equal, then each have 2. I'm going to put a 0 in the front because there's no number there. So we have to make it a 0. Now, which number is biggest? 2, 3, 1, or 0? Okay. The 3 is the biggest. So 30. The number 30 is the biggest. Okay. So I'll let you do the other rows. Now turn to this side. Put your pencil in the middle on the picture. We have a circus tent and we have lowercase s. Find the partner and draw a line to it. Capital S. Easy, you're looking for partners. Okay. Next page. This is a different type of addition. They show us the empty boxes and they give us the answer. Your job is to count how many on each side of the line and write the numbers in the box. 1, 2, 3 stars, write 3. Plus 1, 2, 3 stars, write 3 on in the next box. And 3 plus 3 equals, let's check. Good, 6. Okay. So look at the number of pictures and write the numbers in the box. Now, turn. Wow, another largest number page. Thought I was mistaken, but another, circle the largest or biggest number in each row. 8, 18, or 38. We'll just do one. Good, 38. Circle the biggest number again. Then turn to this page. Write the beginning and ending sounds of each picture. They give us the vowel sounds. And some of these extra letters too. But still write the beginning and ending sounds. Then turn to this page. This is a blend page. There's a picture and 2 blends underneath, and you're going to circle and write the correct blend on the line. The first one is sneakers. Sneakers. Which blend is right? Is it SN or is it PL for sneakers? Good, SN. Circle it, write it on the line. Let's do one more. Switch, Is it BR or SW for switch? Good, SW. Okay. This is a bridge. The bird is making a tweet sound. Fruit, drapes. Drapes is another word for curtains that hang on your windows. Flag, sleeve, skis to use in the snow. Grasshopper, price, it's a price tag. Shadow, smile, scarf, and stamp that we put on mail. So circle the correct blend. Next page, connect the dots, and you're going to make a picture. Start at the number 1. The number 1's the bigger number right there. Connect all the way to the number, I think 20. Oh yeah, now underneath the number 1. So you're going to go from 1 all the way around to 20. That's the ending, 20. And they say, how do you spell this number? So you're making a number, and then they want you to spell it. Now let's go to this page. Long vowel sounds. A, E, I, or O. So you're going to say the picture word. Ice. Ice. What vowel am I saying? I'm saying long I. So write I on the line. Toe. Toe. Oh, toe. What letter is that? Good, O. Write O on the line. The O is long. The next vowel is silent. Toe. What about heel? Heel. Heel. E. Long E. Let's see if there's any here that you might not know. This is a beet. It's a vegetable. This is a rose. It's just starting to bloom. Lake. Ape. I think seed. I think the rest you know. So listen for the long vowel sound. Then our last page, again, another long vowel page. Color the pictures in each row that have the sound of long A, long E, long I, long O, long U. Let's do the first row. Sometimes you have to say the word slowly so that you can hear the long vowel better. Like paint. Paint. We hear the A. We say an A. But sail. You can hear the A, long A. Color it. What about suit? It's a man's suit. No, don't color that. What about pale? Ale. Yes. So in the first row, you're going to color the sail, the paint, and the pail. Let's look at row E. Necklace. Is that saying E? No, don't color it. Toe. No, that's not long E. What about deer? Ear. E. Yes, color the deer. What about seeds? Yes, color the deer and the seeds. Let's look at row 3 with long I. So we're listening for I. Rake. No. Dive. The little girl's yes, I hear long I. Color her. What about the number 9? Nine. Yes. Color the number 9. And dry. Dry. Yes, I hear long I. Dry. Long O. Road. Yes. Long O. Ghost. Ghost. Yes. Rake. Oh, I'm sorry. This is a hoe for the garden. Hoe. Oh, yes. And knee. Your knee? No. Now we get to long U. Music. Yes, long U. Fruit. Yes. Yes, color that. What about tulip? Tulip. Yes. Hive. No, not long U. So color the music notes, the fruit, and the tulip. And that's your last page of seat work. Now we're moving on to cut and glue. And this is our cut and glue page for today, Dad's Kit. You have the animals from the books that we're reading, our books, and you have pictures at the bottom. Dan has a cap. Find the cap. Glue it next to Dan. Al has a wig. Find the wig. Glue it next to Al. Nan has a can of figs. There it is. And Pam has a map. And there's the map. So read the sentence, cut out the picture that goes with it, and glue it in next to the picture at the top by the sentence. All right? Then we move on to our blend book. And remember, I'm taking out the pages to show you, but keep your book together. The blend for today is BL, blah, blah. And I'll put 4 words on here. Blanket, the color blue, blender, and black. The 2 colors we all know. We probably can't even spell those. Blanket could be on your bed, or you could have it when you're watching TV or taking a nap. You're blank. Blender. What do you do with a blender? You can make drinks in it, like a smoothie or a breakfast drink. It's kids don't do it, but moms and dads, they put the liquid and sometimes oatmeal and fruit and different yogurt and milk and ice, and then you plug it into the wall in the plug, and you turn it on, and everything goes around fast, 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 and grinds it up, and it makes a smooth, icy drink. Really good. Good for the summer too. So now these are my ideas for BL words. You could come up with any. You can, you and your family can think of other words that have BL for a blend and do those. Okay? Our last assignment is our Join the Circle book. Join the Circle page 31 and 32. On this page, they say look at each picture and find the words that begin with A. Write A on the line. Find the words that begin with U and write U on the line. So, and they say, show you at the top, A and U sounds. Then flip your page over to this side. They want you to identify which vowel sound in the word duck, up, U, just fill in the bubble. Pan, A, fill in the A. Hat, again, A. And I think you're going to know all these. Bus, rug, stamp, bag, van, hand, mug, bat, sun. So write the vowel sound you hear, A or U. And that's all for today. Remember, if you want to do more, if you have time and want to do more, you can always go to your first packet that I packed, because there's probably work in there that you can do. All right, boys and girls, have a good day. I will see you tomorrow.